girl be cleaning out her nasty refrigerator. Yeah, when the hat is turned backwards, that mean I mean business. That mean I'm standing on business. I can't get this thing back in there. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my life. Anyway, you guys, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, your girl will be cleaning out her nasty refrigerator. It's not that bad, but it got some bad areas, bad spots that I just been looking over, ignoring and stuff like that. So we're about to get ready to take care of that. And I hope y'all can hear me because I got laundry going all at the same time, trying to get some stuff done, trying to get some stuff did, okay? So I'm not gonna talk too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, you guys, right now. And make sure you guys watch all my videos to the end. Make sure you guys are sharing my videos to your family and whoever else. But anyway, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this video. Y'all, when the hat is turned backwards, that mean I mean business. That mean I'm standing on business. So get your screenshot. But when you send this to somebody, let them know that mean you standing on business. When you turn that head backwards, that mean you standing on business. back in there. Y'all, I'm going through all my condiments to make sure see what's old, what's not old, and organizing it or whatever. So yeah. That is it. When I tell y'all the deep freeze kind of wore me out from bending. Y'all, this Kingston yelling here on the game, playing this game. Yeah, you guys. Say hey, Kendra.
Hi guys, my name is LOP.
Anyway, you guys, I'm wore out. I'm about to ready to end this video out right here. I hope I motivated you guys to get up and clean your refrigerator out and throw away expired things. Y'all threw away a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff that was well, not really a lot of stuff was expired, and a lot of stuff was just like down to the nitty-gritty, so I just threw it away.
Oh, my
yeah, you guys. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.
I need to tell them something.
Dre, stop.
Tell them something.
Hold on, y'all. Before we end it, Kendra want to talk.
I might be a YouTuber, so
Excuse my baby hair,
if
y'all.
you're a kid, then I might be a YouTuber and watch my videos.
Okay.